Everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are looking at One Proud Mama. Let's get into this video.
Sergeant Cassandra Bloomfield, military training instructor, and I will be your narrator for today's ceremony. Today's basic military practice in the past has been the hand salute. This exchange has been preserved and its use continued in all modern militaries, which inherit their traditions from the age of chivalry. Throughout today's ceremony, you will see the flights presenting arms as one form of the military salute. The civilian counterpart of the salute is manifested in various ways, such as placing the right hand over the heart. We ask that you abide by the following standards while you are here. First, there will be times that you will be asked to Flight 063, led by Sergeant Crisella Mariano. Subject: Commander's Excellence. The Commander's Excellence stream flights as they pass in review. Passing in review, the Commander of Airmen, Technical Sergeant Caitlin Bork, military training instructor, hometown, Browns Mills, New Jersey. The A Squadron staff, led by Technical Sergeant Allison. The Color Guard, led by Technical Sergeant Andre Williams, Master Military Training Instructor, hometown, Bladenboro, North Carolina.
I thought when he looked up. He was just right here.
I can see him now.
Where is he? Oh, he's right here.
San Antonio, it's been real, but now I have to go. Bye. Welcome home, Weesie Weesie. Mama Weesie back in his house. Hey, everyone. Just got off the plane, so now you're gonna have to come grab me something to eat from my famous place, Leo's Cheesesteak. Yes, a sister is home. Mama Wiz is really home, y'all.
Number 35, cheeseburger, grilled cheese, and a french fry.
Okay, I'm gonna do one half, and I got a half. One more half to go. And my smoothie's almost gone. And yeah, I think I'm kind of full, so I'm going to give, let's just say, 2 later. It finally came. Let's see what it is. I'm gonna sit down here on the floor and open this up. Use my leg. Let's see. Let's see what it is. Shake. Oh my God, my shirt. My shirt finally came! My shirt finally came! Oh, it's in black. This is what it looked like on front. It's similar to the blue one, but it should be different in the back. Let's see. I gotta let my son know that this shirt finally came. What he made. Well, what his squadron made. And that is so decent. Oh my God. That is so nice. This is tough. Oh man. Thank you, son. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Airmen. No. Thank you, Airmen. Thank you. Y'all don't mind my hair. Okay, don't mind that. Okay, look at the shirt. Oh, look at the shirt. This is tough. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you. I was sitting here looking for his name, right? But I'm going to read the shirt off to you. To you guys. I'm going to read the shirt. It says, don't make it weird, right? They got the 59, 58, and 57. And then I'm uncomfortable sometime today, more like yesterday. Don't let the tables and chairs defeat you. Do not be sorry, be better. Oh God, that's right. Go away. What? Weird. 326. And they got I'm high, fly, fight, and win. And there go his name. Yes, and everybody who's with him. The Airmans, all the Airmans. I love this shirt. So y'all guys, I'm about to end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Tell a friend, tell more friends, okay? Keep that post notification bell on because you don't want to miss what's next. And I'm out. Mwah.